Hi, so welcome to my smoothie show where smoothie day keeps the doctor away. So today I'm making with the NutriBullet a banana berry strawberry smoothie. So I already put here a banana, it's pretty ripe. So if it's darkened like that, that's usually fine. It's just ripe. We got it, I don't know, 3-4 days ago and they ripen really quick. So it just makes it actually sweeter. And then I'm gonna add some almond butter, or you can, if you like peanut butter, you could do that, or if you like sunflower butter. I always add ingredients that you like. So if you don't like almond butter and you like peanut butter, by all means add peanut butter instead, like a big spoonful. And then I'm going to add some chia seeds. So about half a tablespoon. There we go. And then, of course, let me pull in a little closer here. So you have this in here. All right, and then I'm going to add a little bit of maple syrup from Canada, Canadian maple syrup. About a tablespoon. I'm just eyeballing it, so it's about a tablespoon. Then I just sprinkle some cinnamon. And then shake well. Probiotics. I'm kind of running low, so I'm gonna just add about like a tablespoon. And then I have my fruit. I have this tropical fruit mix. So I'm adding some strawberries and mangoes in here. And then wouldn't you know it, I completely forgot to get milk. So heading over to the refrigerator. Now this isn't the morning, I've been up for a little while now, but I completely forgot to add the milk. And guess what? All the milk is gone. There's like, we have half and half. So when that happens, and I didn't realize that we'd used up all the milk, I completely forgot. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of Good Belly and just kind of use what I have, improvise. You could also use water. So I'm just gonna do an experiment. I'm gonna add some Good Belly to it, and then I need a little bit more, I'm trying to think whether to add, you know what would be interesting? So you use what you have. Maybe I'll not add the Good Belly because we already have the probiotic, but we made hot chocolate. So this is hot chocolate mixed with honey and cinnamon and sugar and whipped cream, and this was not used. So you can experiment and use what you have. I don't know if it'll turn out well or not. Sometimes experimenting turns out delightfully great, so-so, or really not great, really icky, awful, but you never know till you try. So let's give it a try. Again, life is messy, it's good to make mistakes. You know, I mean, it's good to learn from our mistakes. There we go. Learning from mistakes is important because that's how we learn mistakes, right? So if this is a mistake, then you'll taste it, right? If not, a new recipe. Spontaneous. Let's see if this is a yummy mistake or a not repeatable one, or just so-so. It's unique. It's not yucky. I would definitely tell you it's yucky. It's not amazing. It's like a chocolate shake with extra, like the berries and the fruit. So it's a unique taste of chocolate mixed with fruit. So it's kind of like a chocolate shake with a twist. So not bad. There we go. Would I do this again? Yeah, if I want chocolate version. I might go a little less heavy on the chocolate because this is very chocolatey, but if you love chocolate, which I do, this is great. I do love chocolate, so more chocolate for me. Dark chocolate is my favorite, better. But if you're not a huge chocolate fan, then this might not be the one for you. But a smoothie a day keeps the doctor away. See you later, bye.